Good morning students. In this class we will discuss about cell and text formatting. Cell and text formatting. So first all of you take the page number 12. All of you take the page number is 13. 13, okay. Our third skill time is applying cell formatting. Applying cell formatting. So in last class we had created up to take exercise. We have created up to take exercise. First one is relation, age, hours of sleep, eats fast food, and then take exercise. And the extra column we here added is favorite dishes. Okay, favorite dishes. So here we add the favorite dishes of our father, mother, self, sister, and then grandfather. So here we need to add the favorite dishes of our father, mother, self, sister, and then grandfather. Like this. Okay, like this. So here first we need to know how to apply the cell formatting. How to apply the cell formatting. So here the relation or age is in one cell. Relation and age is in one cell. But in hours of sleep, it is in two cells. The hours of sleep is in two cells. Each fast food is also in two cells. Take exercise is in two cells. And favorite food dishes is in two cells. And here when we came to the dishes, it's also in two cells. So we need to fit into a single cell. We need to fit it in a single cell. So, what procedure to fit in a single cell? What procedure is fit into a single cell? So, here we need to auto fit the column. We need to auto fit the column width. We need to auto fit the column width. So, first one is auto fit the column width. Auto fit the column width. In formatting toolbar. In formatting toolbar, they have icon as like this. We have the icon like this. Okay. So when you click this icon, there visible many types of tables like this. Many types of table like this. In that, we need to select the icon. We need to select the icon looks like this. We need to select the icon looks like this. In formatting toolbar, we have the icon like this. When you click this icon, there came many types of tables. In that you can click this icon. This is the icon for auto fit column width. This is the icon for auto fit column width. Okay, and the other option is R. The other option is in format menu. In format menu, it's a format menu. You have the option column. In format menu, you have the option as column. Okay, and then you need to click optimal width. Optimal width. Okay. The other option is in format menu, you have the option like column. You need to click that column and then a sublist will display. In that you need to click the optimal width. Okay, this is the procedure to auto fit the column width. You can use this method or else use this method. Before using this method, you need to select that particular column. You need to select that particular column. And the next one is auto fit the row height. Auto fit the row height. Okay. Here the same icon. In formatting toolbar, you have the same icon, but you need not to choose this icon. You need to choose this icon. Okay, you need to choose this icon. This is for auto fit column width and this is for auto fit row height. This is for auto fit row height, or you can choose in format menu. You have the option as row. In that sublist, you can select optimal height. Optimal height. Okay, this is the procedure for auto fit the row height. Okay, after applying this method, then it will change into, first one is relation. First one is relation and the second one is age, and it will fit into a single cell. It will fit into a single cell like this. Each fast food like this. For example, if all of you take the page number as 14. Take the page number 14. In that you can see it is fit into a single cell. When you compare to this one, it is fit into a two cell. It takes two cells. I am right, but it fit into a single cell. So this is the procedure to apply the cell formatting. This is the procedure to apply the cell formatting. You need to adjust the column width and to adjust the row height. Okay. So here you have an activity. Perform the following tasks. In table 2, add a column called favorite dishes on the right side of the table. You need to add a column in the right side of the table as favorite dishes, and write any 3 favorite dishes of each of your family members in that column. You need to write any of the 3 favorite dishes for each person. For each person you need to write any 3 favorite dishes. Mention any 2 difficulties that you faced while writing the new data. If you faced any difficulties, you need to write that 2 difficulties in that place. Okay. And then the last question is, give suggestions to deal with the problem that you faced. Okay. You need to give a feedback for the 2 problems. Okay. And here you can apply formatting to the cells to change the appearance of the data. Let us add the new column favorite dishes and increases the column width to fit the data properly. Okay, now you all know about how to auto fit column width and auto fit row height. Okay, and then here Ruby adds the column favorite dishes along with its data. She uses the formatting toolbar to format the cells of the table. Okay, she used the formatting toolbar. Okay, we can adjust the row height and column width as required. When you choose the formatting toolbar, you can adjust the row height and column width. Okay, in formatting toolbar you can adjust the row height and column width. And then the skill time 4 is apply text formatting and cell styling. Apply text formatting and then cell styling. Before that, we will discuss about how to align the text. How to align the text. So, first one is left alignment. Left alignment. The icon for left alignment is this is the icon for left alignment because it aligns the textures in left side. It aligns the text in left side. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus L. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus L. And then right alignment. right alignment. It is aligned in the right side. It is aligned in the right side. It aligns the text in right side. The shortcut key used is Ctrl plus R. And then center alignment. Center alignment. The icon for center is the shortcut key used is Ctrl plus E. Ctrl plus E. And the last one is justify. Last one is justify. The icon for justify is it is aligned in both right side and left side. It is aligned in both right side and left side. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus J. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus J. So here you have left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and then justify. Center alignment and then justify. In left alignment, it aligns the text in left side. In right alignment, it aligns the text in right side. In center alignment, it aligns the text as in the center. And in justify, it aligns the text as in both left and right side. And apply text formatting. Here, we adding colors to the textures. Here, we add the colors to the text. So, the process to apply color is here you see the icon. This is the icon to apply colors. This is the icon to apply the colors. First you need to select that word or a sentence, and then you need to click this icon. There visible a sublist. In that sublist you can see so many different colors. You can select any of the colors and apply to that word. For example, here I am taking the non-veg food, veg food, and then unhealthy dishes. Okay, here I am applying the non-veg food in black color. Okay, non-veg food in black color. So I will give chicken in black color, fish in black color, and then fish curry, and then fish fry, so for non-veg dishes you can use the black color. Here I am using the black color. And then veg, for veg I am giving blue color. For veg I am giving blue color. For example, vada, gobi, dal, veg biryani. Okay, for veg food I am giving the color as blue. And unhealthy dishes I am giving momos, and then what, Maggi, noodles. So I am giving black color and underline those words. And I am underlining those words. For non-veg foods we are applying black color, and in veg food we are applying in blue color, and unhealthy dishes we are giving the black color and underlining those text. Okay. Here you need to create a favorite dish and to apply colors for that those text. Okay, here they take the non-veggies red color, and the veggies green color, and the unhealthy dishes as in underlined. They had underlined the unhealthy dishes. So you need to make this table like this. For non-veg you need to give red, and then veg you need to give green, and unhealthy dishes you need to underline that text. Okay, have you all got it? Yes. Okay, thank you.